to my channel Absolute GH. Today we are going to make WC cleaner. First, let's go over our ingredients. I have hydrochloric acid, Nitrosol powder. I also have perfume, sulphonic acid, soda ash, caustic soda, and then color, and I also use water. The quantity of all the ingredients will be listed down below. First, I'm going to mix my nitrosol with some water first. Mix it very well. Mind you, today we are going to make 15 liters of the total WC cleaner. So after mixing the nitrosol very well, I will then mix my caustic soda with water. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. Please and please again subscribe to my channel. There are so many things I have to show you, so please subscribe. Help me get to 1,000 subscriptions. Thank you very much for supporting this channel. So after mixing, you add it to the nitrosol solution and stir very well. Make sure you stir it very well so that all the particles is mixed with the nitrosol. After that, you then mix your soda ash with water. Make sure you dissolve it first in water before adding it to the nitrosol and the caustic soda solution. Let me send this a word of caution. Anytime you are using acid for anything, please make sure to protect yourself very well. That is, you wear your nose mask, your gloves, and if possible your shades, and try and wear long sleeves to avoid any hazard, and wash the bottle very well after using the acid. After adding your soda ash and caustic soda to the nitrosol mixture, you then add your sulphonic acid and then stir. Make sure the mixture is well mixed. Stir it very well. After mixing the nitrosol, caustic soda and then the soda ash, you then add your concentrated hydrochloric acid to the mixture. Please, when adding it to the mixture, lower it gently to avoid spilling, and when you are stirring this time, to stir with care so that you don't spill the acid in your clothes or on your skin. And someone asked me the last time about the concentration of the acid. Please, I don't know the concentration. I only buy it from the market for this cleaning detergents. After that, you add your perfume and your color to the solution. The color and the perfume depends on you, how you want your solution to be deep or light, or how perfume you want your mixture to be. So I left the solution or the mixture overnight, and this is the next day. I had some foam on top of it, so I scooped it out and then filled my bottles and my gallons. It works perfectly, so please try it at home. And please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you all for watching.